I was drifting through the days in black and white, going through the motions, barely living right. Then you spoke and something cracked inside my chest, like a current running wild from east to